Hi everyone, it's John from Hvalley Tools again. Welcome back. And today we're in our showroom shop and we're going to talk to you about our handheld oscillating spindle sander. It's actually one of my most favorite tools to use and it works so well. When you get your tool, it's going to be packed in a nice box with all the accessories and supplies. And what do you get with your unit? Of course, you get your unit, you'll get your sanding drums and sleeves, you get an edge guide, we're going to talk about that, dust extraction port, and you also get a mounting system that lets you convert it into a bench mount sander. Now again guys, this is a lightweight sander. You're not going to be doing like heavy duty work on it, but it's really cool that you can use it as a bench mount. So let's talk in more detail what it does. The sander itself is pretty well balanced. Okay. The other thing that's kind of neat is that it's this really bright chartreuse green. You're never going to lose it. You'll always know what it is. It'll pick it up on satellite. This version is different from our prior version in that the power switch is now a locking power switch, which is kind of nice. The variable speed dial is located right here. That means that when your hand is on it and you're running it and it's really well balanced, you can actually increase or decrease the sanding speed. And then you can't accidentally turn it on and off. The older unit, you accidentally, if you brought your hand around, boom, you shut it off. I really love the new design. The other thing that comes with it that's kind of slick is this edge guide. And when I looked at this, I was like, what the heck is this thing for? Well, it actually mounts here with these two bolts, and it allows you to control the actual depth of the sanding. You could use this on an edge as well as on the bench top. It's kind of cool. I've only used it a couple times, but it works. And of course, you have your dust extraction port. So here's your dust extraction coupler. You line up the bayonets and give it a quick turn, boom, you can have your dust extraction. Works pretty well. So for doing edge work, perfect. Edge sanding, when you want to get an edge nice and square, it's ideal. And those weirdo shapes, rounds, interior rounds, arm rests, things like that. One of the weirdo shapes that I have to use this for is scallop molding at home. Okay, so I made this many years ago when I couldn't get the scallop molding for a house, and I have to sand it coming up in the fall, and I'm really dreading it. So how do we do that? I'm going to take off the compression bolt, and the smaller one just slides right onto the mandrel, and then you just set it up. We're going to thread it on. That's how fast it is to change this thing up. And then, unfortunately, this is going to be overhead for me, so I'm going to be on a step ladder sanding it, but I'm going to be able to keep it nice and square and get in these little tight little spots where I need to get some detail sanding work done. It's going to save a ton of time. When you convert this to a bench top, it's really easy. These brackets are included, and there's a rubber anti-vibration pad and an anti-skid pad that works really well. So all you do is you flip it upside down, you slide the brackets in, you spin them up. Now you have a little oscillating spindle sander. It's really cool. I found that this is really effective. The spindle oscillating depth is about 5/16 to 3/8 of an inch. Customers have asked for more, but that would really make the unit larger, and we'd have to come out this way with the head. It's too big. It's like the old Porter cable was like holding on to like a 40-pound oscillating monster. This thing is lightweight, and I found that the oscillating action on this works really well. And guys are worried about, well, you wear the paper in one spot. Well, you just flip it around. No big deal. This is a great unit. It's kind of like a must-have tool. It's very durable and reliable, and I actually love it. So if you have any questions, call and ask, please. Also, extra sandpaper. There's 3 grits that are available. You can go the coarser grit, medium, and fine. I believe they're 80, 150, and 240-ish. And they're very affordably priced, and it's a nice selection to have. If you're ever in the Philadelphia metropolitan area, come on, stop by. You got to meet us and walk around the showroom and have a good time. And if you have any questions on the sander or how it works or things like that, give us a call. We're here to help, and I hope you have a really great day.